I think it's gonna be ano talaga. It's yeah, a lot of things here happen for a reason. All right, guys. Well, we are back again. I took a loss on that. Can you believe that? That sucks. What can I do about it? But that's part of trading, guys. I think I took took too big of a position rather than going in with it. Kind of, kind of bummed up, but it's whatever. That's part of trading. So yeah, I think it would be a good long right here, but at the same time, 250 would be a good area to to be going long. At the same time, it's whatever. We're gonna try to see if we can profit out of these. Yeah, I think we are gonna turn around here now. I think that was just a pure manipulation to the downside, taking out all the sell side, all that. But we don't know for sure. Could happen. Because right now we got the 1 hour time frame that still has the imbalances from what I'm seeing. We have imbalances to the upside for the 1 hour time frame. So that's what I'm seeing. I think we can go back to the breaker block for the 1 hour at 180. But I don't know if it could happen like that. But that's up to the market itself. It needs to decide whether it wants to go down or up. If it wants to, it wants to. That's part of trading. That's part of trading, guys. Let's go see what will happen in the next 5 minutes. But I think we can go to the upside. I mean, if you look at the chart right here, this is the one that I was thinking. This is the imbalance that they want, which is 1455. That's why I think we can go to the upside after this reach right here on the 48 area. I don't know. I might be wrong, but it's all good. Because the only reason why I think 450 is going to get hit is we go touch this one. At least we take out the... We already here already. So how do we deliver it from there? That's the question. How do we trap all the shorts to squeeze it up there? So what I'm thinking of is this one right here, which is... This is the buy side, but the target would be 451. That's what I was like thinking about. I don't know. It might not work. We don't know. It might be we just take out this sell side. Then we inverse it. We inverse this candle. That could be the scenario. So if we start to buy up here, then obviously it's just gonna inverse the candle with the breaker block. Now that this is the manipulation and taking out all this buy stop. That's what I'm thinking right now. That could happen, the scenario of the market. Like, where is the price gonna be headed to? Do we take out the sell side? I don't think it's gonna take out the sell side because it wants to. How are they gonna deliver this? That's the question. So 265 itself is the one that I thinking of. And then tomorrow is when I think we are in for a breakout because there's a lot of there's an imbalance right here that needs to get filled on the weekly, which is 616. A lot of buying pressure happening, which is, I don't know what could happen, but at the same time, this is just what I'm thinking of. But especially we left all those liquidity up above. So now the question is, how do we trap them thinking that they're gonna make profit to the top side, thinking that we are gonna go to 1900? Because there's still much into the story. We still have imbalance right here. There's imbalances. This could not be the end of it because on the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour. I mean on the daily. This is the daily. So we want to at least get imbalances here to the upside. That's why I'm thinking 454. 452 is like the main target that they're trying to get, the market makers. Now they're trapping the 348. I think that's one of the key points into this is how do we deliver it? And we don't know. I mean, 450, 248 broke, but at the same time they push it back up. So now this breaker block is not, it doesn't make sense no more. Because they did the same thing. Well, I made my money back on it. Took a loss of like 800, and then next thing you know, I made it all back up. Trying to calm and collective, you know. But 454 is the one that I'm targeting. If we are to short this, I would go for 454. Now it's a long. I'm thinking it's a long setup. If we inverse this, if we hold this, if we hold 277, it is. If we hold 277 on the 5-minute, so if we hold this whole breaker block right here, then we can go sell down. But if you look at the higher time frame, it doesn't support it. I don't know. I mean, that's the whole point of this whole thing is this is what the market structure looked like. So where do we manipulate? We manipulated here first. So what I'm thinking of right now is we manipulated down here and then we can go to the upside. So this is manipulation. So if we get above 308, then it's obviously a buy. But right now we're below it, so it's a sell. It's a short. I'm gonna go get myself a coffee. I made my money back on that one. Made $100 out of it. So glad I took that profit. So we gotta, yeah. So, oh yeah. So like, let's say it's on the 1 minute. If you look at the 1 minute, 278 is holding. This is a fair value gap right here. If you look in here, this whole area right here is a fair value gap. So I'm gonna go take my position there, go to my account that I lost. Not gonna go too aggressive. Let's see. Then the other one also. Okay, we got in. I might be wrong. I might be wrong, guys. Trying to pass this evaluation. I am wrong. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna buy more into it. I wanna buy. Nah. I wanna see how this thing reacts to this. All right, we buy into that. Let's buy into that. Let's buy into that. This looks like it's a losing trade. It is a losing trade. No. No. All right, it's a losing trade, guys. This one is a losing one. I already know this account that I have that I'm testing is it's gonna be a losing one. I don't know why I went full port. I don't know why. Oh no, it just that sucks. I am not holding on the funded accounts. I am not holding it. Oh, there's a deeper one. Which is insane. Oh man, I get filled on the other one. Oh jeez. Well, I'm gonna take it slow though. Take it slow. It's on the 1 minute, man. I already took out all the special ones. So I took a long with 3 micros on each account. I'm just gonna go micros now. I'm not gonna go for. Then I got my stop below. Where is that? I got my stop below at 249, 248. So yeah, 248. Wherever is the low on this. And then we'll see where it's gonna take us. If it takes us somewhere, it takes us somewhere. But I don't mind if I take that loss. But I only have 3 micros. That's pretty much the plan. Is to trade 3 micros and then that's it. Every day. This would be a good dip buy right here. Mm-hmm. Oh. Got more things to do out here, guys. You know, life itself should be cherished. But yeah, that's what I'm suspecting. This is a good dip buy right here, and then your stop would be below 248. So I bought into that. No, that was in live account. I wish I have a live account. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking of right now. It's a good dip buy right here. And then, it's just a low risk, 10 points. So if you got in at what, 255 or something like that, you're good to go. I don't see no problem. It's only like what, 10 points to risk. I mean, 7 points at least. If you got in at 255, oh my gosh, that would be like, that's a good dip buy. But there's a reason why they left all those liquidity up above. They left those is because there's a reason. I might be wrong, but at the same time, it's all good. Everything is all good. Yeah, I'm risking that much in order to gain this much. That's part of the game, right? But I think we can possibly go to 450 before we start selling. But we don't, then that sucks. Everything. How's everybody doing? Well, how's your day? 61 right there. 62, 63. Price action is reacting to it, like 63 and 64. It goes back and forth. 67. Now it's at 67. Which is crazy. You see the reaction is? Congrats, bro. Congrats, bro. Luna, how you liking it, man? You're almost to the live funded account. It's good. Just do what you were doing when you passed it. Don't hurry up, man. Just take it slow, and next thing you know, you're making profit. But I definitely do see it go to the upside, to 455. That's what I'm seeing. We already took out all the sell side from London hours, and also we manipulated down already. So I think that's the manipulation to the downside, which is 18,248. So now we just wait for a reaction of the market. I bet you are, bro. I bet you are, Luna. Dude, I'm excited for you, man. I'm excited. But that's what I'm seeing so far. I'm seeing it go to the upside, 455, and then if it doesn't go down, then obviously, 455 is the target. Oh, we will see. Right now, it's on the down move right now, but we've been wicking it. There's a lot of wicks. You just gotta trust the process. That's all there is. Just all there is. Looks like it's not working. Okay. Okay, now I got a good feel on that. I like how they're just like straight selling it. It's just insane. They're probably gonna sell it right here. Sell. Come on, sell. Why won't you sell for me? Why? Why? Yeah, I think 255 is a good, like good entry for a long if you're long, and then if you're short, you're short. But I think the narrative of it is 455 is the target for imbalances, and then we go to the downside after that. Tomorrow, probably. I think it's tomorrow is when we go to the downside, because we need to accumulate more to the upside. We already people are excited. They're excited, and when they're excited, you already know they're gonna be like, "Oh man, I'm gonna make this much," and next thing you know, I don't know. I'm just saying some normal kind of thing, but I'm just trying to do something, something impossible that might not work. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So I got 6 total. My average on my contract is 63.88. That's my average. My target is the first buy side liquidity, which is 300. And then the rest is just going to be hold. I'm just going to be holding it. I'm just going to let the process, do its thing. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work out. Not worried or anything. Yeah, I'm up $46, but how are you going to be able to trust your process if it doesn't go in your way? That's why I'm just saying the narrative is we go to 454. And now I'm down. Oh my gosh, I should have just took that profit. I should have just took that profit, right? How are you going to trust your process? That's the question of this whole thing. This whole point of trading. But that's what I'm seeing so far, guys. I am seeing it go to the upside. We're going to create a W shape. And then we'll go see what will happen after that. But I want to trust the process that we can take out 300 liquidity. Let's go see what is happening in Think with Bookmap. Go see what is happening on Think with Bookmap. So I think it's just a liquidity drop. Grab. Yeah. So 300 zone is an area of interest. We have a lot of liquidity on 1905. All right, so now we're up above that area. We're back at. So who got in on that dip buy? Because I might not. I might have failed so bad. I might have failed. But I am trading on the live funded account, guys. So just a heads up on that. 3 funded accounts. I'm just trying to see where it is gonna take me at 303. If it works, it works. I'm just trying to see where it wants to go now. Because I think it's tomorrow. It's when they're gonna dump it. Especially with all the buying pressure that we have, we could trap more short sellers. You know, thinking that 325 is. That's it for them, you know. The lower time frame supports it. That we can go to the downside, but if you look at the higher time frame, it feels like it didn't want to go there, which is crazy. But I'm just gonna respect my stop loss. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's part of the whole thing behind trading this market. And then if you look at we just created a divergence. You see where also ES is holding? It's this fair value gap right here. There's another fair value gap right there. So if we break through 308, expect a buy model to occur. Because we still haven't reached all of the buy side. See, you see how many buy side liquidity here? People are thinking 1, 2, 3, and 4. I could be wrong, guys. You know, everything in my life is wrong. But let's see how it's gonna react. Let's see how the market will react on this. Let's just hope that 340, that 343 is the manipulation. What we're trying to figure out now is the manipulation area. And yeah, like around this area would be good. I don't know, man. Should just take profit here and just like leave. We should be scared. I'm scared now. Trying to wait if there's a fair value gap that form. Once I see on the 5-minute, I'm gonna move my stop. But right now, it's not ideal yet. Still gonna respect where is my stop would be. But we look at this candle right here on the 5-minute. The reason why I wanted to talk to you guys about is this candle. If we inverse this, now it's turning into a W. You know what that means when it turns into a W? We about to inverse this candlestick right here. So let's just hope it does what it needs to do, like break through 287. And then 287, we can go to the upside now. We got 30 minutes till the market opens. And then from there, it's going to be different scenario. But that's what I'm seeing as a trader. As a trader. I want to test myself. That's crazy. Damn, we're just holding this inverse fair value gap. The thing is, we didn't even sell on this inverse, which is crazy. And now we just squeeze back up. You see this, guys, right here? This thing is an inverse. It didn't even sell. So that's why I'm like thinking to myself, okay, then this is a good dip buy right here at 255. If we didn't sell here, we already went up above to break out. This is the fair value, right? And then we created a fair value gap right here, but we didn't even go. You're giving so much time into it already. So yeah, I got in on my long right here, 263. I am in at 263. And then my stop is 248.5. Target would be this, 262, and then rest is just gonna be hold. It is just gonna be hold, guys. If you got in at 255, that's a good entry too. But my target is, I got my first fill right here at 265, and then we'll see from what will happen after that. But this is what I have so far, this yellow part. Target this area, 301, the buy side liquidity, then this one, then whatever it is gonna take. And look at that, it just dropped. Let's see if it's gonna fully support it. Yeah, the point of control got moved there. I'm just taking it slowly, you know. Taking it slowly today. I don't wanna rush it. If it works, it works. The trade works. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. I need coffee. I'm gonna go get some coffee. The trade won't work. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go get coffee. Oh man, this sucks. jeez, it's not gonna work, guys. Why is it not gonna work? Why? "15 minutes till the market." So like look at the liquidity at 310. There's a lot of liquidity at 310 area. 355. Hmm. It's probably gonna sell down now. Probably the manipulation is to the upside now. So you want to wait for the candle. All right, 13 minutes left. 13 minutes left. I think they're gonna do it at 10 a.m. again. What's the news like today? You guys know the news? What's it like? So we already got the unemployment claims at 2:30. That's a lot. Natural gas. Oh man. Looks like trade is not gonna work. Oh. Looks like we can sell down now. I think we're gonna sell down the open. It's weak. Looking at the 16-second, the 15-second chart, and the 1 minute on Trader Wait, because I don't have 15-second chart. But yeah, I'm. This is what I'm looking for. So this fair value gap, this inverse, it supports it. So if you are in for a short, this would have been a good short also. But your stop should be right here if you're trying to take it down here. Oh man, that's crazy. That is crazy. I'm probably gonna go for a deeper fair value gap. No. Yeah, 5 minute. Your breaker block right here. Thing is, this is the thing that I'm worried about is we're creating all this pressure, and next thing you know, we're gonna explode. That's the only thing that I worried about is this whole thing right here. You know, that's part of trading. Try to perfect our trading. We got 8 minutes till the market opens. We'll see what will happen after that. Are we gonna go up? Are we going down? That's all up to you. What's the plan? Yeah. 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's the plan. But for the past 2 days, it's been like doing a U-turn. Damn, I was up like $160, and then now I'm down $40. Sometimes you guys gotta take profit. All right, 10 more points till take my loss. I'm sad now. Now it's back up at 64. Wow, 5 more minutes. Yes, finally the market is gonna open. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I hope you guys got in on that again, on that dip buy. Targeting this area right here. You got to be watchful on this stop right here at 3. Oh my gosh. Yeah. What is happening? Are we gonna go down or up? What is happening? Can we start doing our thing now? Looks like we are selling now. All right, 1 minute. Oh man. Oof, we just sold down. Oof, that's crazy. Sold down. All right, I made profit on that. Made 500 bucks out of that dip. That's the manipulation right there. Manipulation leg. Yep. That was a manipulation leg. Let's go 9. I'm trying to see if I can get this dip buy right here. All right, I just got into it instead. Stop is gonna be 210. It's just 3 contracts. Now we got 18 contracts total. Sell stop below 210. I'm all good on that one. I'm all good. All Gucci. half of that contract. What's the bigger picture on this? Okay. What's next to do? What's next to do? Please tell me what the next to do. Are we going up or going down? Man, we got so much liquidity up above. If you're looking at the book map. Yeah, I just got out. I just got out of the trade, you know. I got in on the, I'm on the micros now. Just playing it all out now. Where is the market going to go? And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, man. But I still could see it go to the upside. That's the potential. It goes to the upside. Do the turnaround, the U-turn. You know what I mean? And look at that. It's doing the U-turn now. Which is insane. All right, I'm going to sell 3 of my contracts here. All right, so I only got 3 left. So my stop would be below. The other one's just gonna be break even now. So the trade is just gonna be break even. I'm gonna let it ride till it does what it does normally. Whatever it do, it do. You know what I mean? Well, we got so much liquidity up above. That's the reason why I went long. Is we got so much liquidity. Even if you look at the Think with Book map, it tells me, yeah. So it tells me, yeah, we got 312 as the area of interest. And then from there, where are we going to be going? Right now we're above BWAP, which is good. We just needed to see if we can hold 300 level. Once we hold 300 level, I think it could go potentially to the upside. So fair value gap right here. I'm gonna go see what happens here, and then next thing you know, we turned around. Well, we turned around. All good. $600. I'll take it. So choppy. The thing is so choppy. The market is so choppy right now. I don't know why it's so choppy. It's so choppy, guys. You guys should be not in this trade. Yeah, price action right now is messy. Does not know where it wants. See, just, oh my gosh, it's so messy. People are undecided where it wants to go. Wow. So messy, guys. This thing is the price action on the 15-second chart is so messy. It's just going back and forth, battling it out where it wants. Do we want to go to the downside or we're going to go to the upside? That's the question. Oh my gosh. This is so confusing. All right, the next 5 minutes is gonna happen. We got 2 minutes left. Choppy day. This is not an ideal to trade. I think that was it. Now we go to 300. Was that it? Oh my gosh. Took them a while. There's a gap at 196, so we could potentially go to 196 once again. It's a choppy day, guys. You can't be trading this. Sorry, I was focusing. Appreciate it, Sinigang, bro. Appreciate it. What is the 5-minute looking like? What's the body of it? So choppy. Ping pong, ping pong. Oh my gosh, where is this market gonna go? This is so dumb. Well, it's all up to you guys. What you guys want to think where the market's gonna go. I think that was it for me, man. You know, making this much, $800 today for both of them for 3 accounts. Yeah, I think it's a buy. You know, you gotta buy into this. I'm waiting for it to touch at least, 195. If we can touch 195, I think it's gonna be that's where we're gonna turn around at. We still got 30 more minutes. That's gonna trap more people. I want to see 195 at least. I'm done trading now. I don't want to take no more trades. I think this is it for me. I made roughly 800. 800 times 4 is $2,400. But I want to see it at least touch 196 one more time to confirm it. What does the 5-minute look like? The 5-minute looks so choppy. If you guys look at it, it looks so choppy. Yeah, it is so choppy, guys. Okay, we touched this imbalance. All right, my stop would be above this top part right here. Damn, this is a choppy market. Oh my gosh. Very choppy. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, yeah, amazing. There we go. We got my field now. Holy moly. Wow, that's crazy. It's so easy. Why you have to be so choppy like that? That's crazy, guys. That's what we wanted was if you're gonna do that, just do it like that instead of just like chopping around. I got filled on that 300. I got filled on that 300. Can you believe that? What a crazy market we live in at. Then you believe that. That's one crazy market. And we finally got filled. That is so good. That's what I wanted to see. We're going to 450. Just a heads up. We're going to 450. Now that you know your levels now, you know where to take your profit at. You know where to take it at. So choppy, man. That's one crazy market. There it is. We got so many liquidity at 350, 340, all that stuff. And there we go. We're back again. We got 452 is the target. Target is 452 for 1 hour time frame, by the way. So be really watchful on that one. Is 452 is where you want to actually watch where the market will go to. But yeah, guys, it's we all made profit on this trade. I know that for sure. But anything is a buy right now for me. If I were to buy right now, I'm just gonna keep buying. 1 minute also points out to that direction. Yeah, so it points out to that direction. So this is now a breaker block. This whole thing right here. This is a breaker block now. So be careful now. What the heck? I got 19. Oh my gosh. I had 18 contracts. Guys, I had 18 contracts. Can you believe that? Of micros. I was like, what the heck? Why is my P&Ls going so like sporadic right now? I'm like, I look at my position is 18 contracts. Dude. Let's go. 350. Let's get this thing started. Congratulations, guys. You guys did an amazing job of trading today. I mean, dude, I had 18 contracts. I was like, what the heck am I like? Why am I losing money so quickly? And then this whole time there was 18 contracts of like long. That's so dumb, bro. We're going to 450, by the way. We're not going down. We're going to 450. The 4-hour time frame already points out it's going to go to 450. So you got to find some buying opportunities at least here. I don't know where, but we have breaker block. But who's taking a short here? I'm done trading, man. I'm done. There's just a lot of liquidity up above. I'm looking at the Think with Bookmap. There's a lot of liquidity. So, dude, I gotta get my hat on. Let me put my hat on. All right. We gotta take this thing seriously, right? So what I'm thinking right now is they're gonna push it all up to 450. The market is not that. Imagine this, guys. Let me show you. You could have took profit already. Yep, 59.90. You see how he said he's short is at 59.90? But yeah, 59.90. If you look at what's happening with ES, there is a divergence happening. So 59.90 would be 55.90. So there is a divergence happening right now. So be careful on this level. We can literally just sell down to 293. That's 26 points. So if you already chased this already, you are too late. You are too late. You know what I mean? You're too late. But damn, that was a fun trade today. I know I lost my account, but I got a funded account again. I got 3 funded account. Wait, 3K. Ooh, congrats, bro. You made 100 point. You saw that that buying opportunity, huh? That failed breaker block at the 5-minute on the 1-minute time frame, and then that was a good opportunity for a long. Dude, the market was playing around. I don't know why the market was playing around instead of just go straight. And then now we are to the upside. So 250 would have been a good entry. Oh, I didn't see that. I wasn't even looking at the Discord. I was just too focused. I was dialed in. I was losing money left to right because oh my god. I knew it. You got it at 240. I saw, dude. That was good. That was really good, man. I like that. Dude, that's nice trade. Congrats. Was it micros? Did you trade? Which one did you trade? Yeah, which one did you trade? Did you trade the micros or the dude? I RC appreciate you fixing up the Discord, man. Appreciate it, bro. I'm thankful for you fixing it up. I didn't know how to do it. I might just trade micros, man. I'm thinking about just trading micros. Just 9 micros total, you know. How much is that for like 100 point for 3 micros? Let me go see. Cause I've been literally just trading micros. And then when I'm mad, I would I would trade I would trade minis, man. But congratulations on that position, man. It was. You should. This one right here. So three. The three is if you got into 237, 337. I mean that's not bad. 100 points. You're risking 200. Yeah, I might just go do that. I would definitely look into this right now. The market. What I'm seeing so far is it might have a retracement back to the sell side liquidity. There is a divergence happening between ES and NQ. So look into that right now. As you can see right now, NQ is stronger than ES. So if we broke out to the upside for S&P, we would go to 450 area. So that's what I would recommend looking into. So you got a trend line right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is the SMT divergence I'm talking about. So you got a weaker kind of like situation, whereas this one right here is stronger. So it's like a divergence. Smart money. They call it the smart money concept. So there is a expectation. Because right now, this is a good short opportunity. But I want to see it first displaced down, and then I'm probably going to take a short. Just a confirmation first that we don't want to go to the upside first. But we have if you look at the 1 minute, we have this right here at 254 area. We have gaps that needs to get filled. Usually gaps gets filled. If you have if you zoom in, there's a gap right here. Gap right there. So we can go back to 250 again. So this probably right here, this whole thing might be a manipulation to the upside. So that's why you want to be careful what's happening at 350. And then tomorrow it's when we go to 450. That's what I'm seeing so far. But you want to confirm it first. All right, I might just take a short right there. I might take a stab. That's fine with me. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Stop above 350. And then next thing you know, I double up my position. Oh, it's only 9:30. Oh my gosh, I forgot to see the clock. It's only 9. It's only what? Oh, jeez. It's only 9:30. So what you want to wait for on 9:30? Yeah, 10:30. Is it 9:30? Yeah, it's 10:30 till 11. Is you want to wait for a double top to actually get into. So from the looks of it, we are reaching for the imbalances. We want to wait for a manipulation to the downside. And then it looks like there is a manipulation already happened at 310. So we're probably going to go to the upside. But we don't know. We got to wait. Not worried about it. You know, if it's a loss, it's a loss. That wasn't planned. You see that was the dip. You see the dip buyers. Now we're gonna go to 450 now. Oh, I messed up on that one. I should have just took profit there at 30. But it's all good. You know, that's part of trading. I'm risking 20 points. Yeah, 20 points. You win some, you lose some. Oh, thank you, RC. Appreciate it. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Thank you. You're one of the... You guys are the best, no matter what. You guys are keeping me occupied, at least, with what I'm doing. Dude, everybody's online. Patrick Whelan, Tanya, Trace, and Trace by Matt. They're all online. I think we can get a good retracement down below this 5 minute right here. If we can take out this 5 minute, I think I'm take profit here, 294, 300 area. But we don't know. Because this is already a breaker block. So we're just watching now. You take the loss, you take the loss. This is part of trading. Yeah, 300 zone. I want to take profit at 300 at least. All right, so it just broke out now. Oh, man. I wanted that pullback, man. If I can get in at 300 for a long, I would take it. Now they're creating liquidity above the area. So thinking that the stop will be at 250 now. I mean, that's pretty much the ideal of it. What I would do as a market maker. Yeah, so 46, 47, 45, 44, 44, 45, 43. I'm looking at the price action also. How quick it is, like 45, 43, all that. So 40 level is holding. Now we just want to see if it's gonna hold 40. Looks like it's gonna retain back his what he needs to do, a 40 now, but looks like we straight selling still, which is not good. We can crack in 15 minutes. If we crack in 15 minutes. I don't know why I took that short. I should have just not take that short. I should have just waited. I don't know why I took that short, but I definitely wanted to see if we can get back to 300 at least, so that we can go long. Why would we go long at 350 right now? Ooh. Oh no! What did I say? Oh no! Oh, I took that short too. That's a $500 win. Actually, 700. All right, so dip buyer right here. Let's see what the reaction will be like. They just got dumped on. The people just got dumped on. All right, good night, Luna. Do your thing, bro. Do what you normally do, bro. Like I said, there's a gap to fill right here at 250 area. So if we don't hold this area right here, we're probably not gonna be good. So 300 area, just watch 300. If 300 doesn't hold, it's probably just gonna be a short. I'm probably gonna short it one time, just one contract, and then see it for myself. It's just gonna be a micro. So I'm gonna be shorting it wherever is this breaker block is at 313. If I can get a short at 313, I'll do one contract 313. I'll short it. I'll get into it. So I got my sell at 313 already. Stop above. Actually, no. I'm not shorting it. Why would I short it? That was just a fake out. You look at the 5-minute, manipulate it down. But that was a quick dump, though. Yeah, I wouldn't short this right now. That was a fake out. That has to be a fake out. The 15-minute and the 5-minute, it's all aligning already. So if you went long here, so I'm gonna wait till it gets to this fill right 250 area, but we went down below that 308. So we already manipulate to the upside. I think I'm gonna go short. I'm just gonna do it for one time only. Yeah, I'm just gonna go short. I only got one contract of micros, and I'll see from there. I think that was the manipulation leg because it's a U now. It's a U shape. All right. I got 3 contracts. All right, so we are straight selling now. We see if it does it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's the point. All right, so I'm gonna put my stop above this. All Yeah, I'm short right now, guys. I went short on this. Short right here. Stop is above the high. I like the pattern. The target would be 2. All right, so I only got 3 left, 3 contracts. I'm just gonna play around with this. Buy stop would be the top part, 66. I just want to see where this thing is gonna take us. All right, I think I'm done for today. Also, I'm kind of done trading. Also. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'm done for today. I'm done trading.